In this video, I will be drawing something based around a terrible joke. I'm going to be drawing a nuclear power plant, but you probably already know that because you probably read the title of the video before you clicked on this video. Or tapped. That's also possible, but only if you're on a phone. Or a touchscreen computer, actually. But anyway, back to the video. What you're currently seeing me do is plan out how this piece will look, what it will include. For example, will you be able to see a chunk of uranium in the pot, etc., and how it will be laid out. In the future, I will be doing some more videos like this, and I hope that you will leave some suggestions down in the comment section, because I'm doing this so that you enjoy it, not me. So if I draw something that you don't want to see, then you probably won't watch a video. So basically, tell me what you want to see and I'll almost definitely draw it. So in the meantime, I'll just have to make do with my own ideas because you haven't suggested anything at the time of me posting this. I've pretty much run out of things to say, so the rest of the time will just be music. I hope you enjoy. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on what you want me to do next. Anyway, okay, thanks, bye.